B. More English High School. Now in last lecture we have completed practice set 17. Now today I'll start 18 practice set. First question. One is given here in this first question. Name the pairs of opposite rays in the figure alongside. Means आपको ये जो figure given है उसको properly observe करना है और उसमें से opposite rays कौन कौन सी है वो identify करना है and then उसके name लिखने हैं. Okay. So generally जो opposite rays होते हैं तो उनका जो ओरिजिन होता है दैट इज सेम. ओके. और वो हमेशा एक स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्म करते हैं. दे हैव द एरोज इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. ओके. सो दैट दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टीज रिगार्डिंग द अपोजिट रेज. हियर यू कैन सी in the first figure there are two rays, ray AB and BC. So what is given here about them? First one, name the ray in the figure alongside. So name the origin of the ray, name the angle in figure 1. So रेस कौन कौन सी है? रे ए बी एंड बी सी. राइट. ओरिजिन क्या है? ओरिजिन इज बी. देन नेम द एंगल. सो यू कैन सी हियर इट इज फॉर्मिंग एन एंगल विच इज एक्यूट एंगल. राइट. नाउ सेकेंड वन, name the angle in figure 2. Okay, now here you can see it's the 0 angle or 180 degree angle, right? 180 degree angle form कर रहे ray AB and BC. These are the two rays. So whose origin is B. So you can see in first figure they are not forming the straight line. Two rays are not forming the straight line. But here in the second one, ray AB and BC are forming the straight line. So that's why they are called as opposite rays. Okay. So two rays which have common origin from a straight line are said to be opposite rays. Okay, now understood क्या opposite rays होती क्या है. So अब आपको properly ये figure observe करके बताना है कि इसमें opposite rays कौन कौन सी है. Okay, now so first one you can see two rays NP and PT. They have the same origin P, and they are forming the straight line NT, right? So therefore they are the opposite rays. So first pair क्या होगा opposite ray का? Ray NP and ray PT, right? Understood properly? Now second one you can see here ray LP and PM. LP and PM, they are forming the straight line and they have the same origin P. Okay, so second में आप क्या लिखोगे? ray LP ray PM. Okay. Now so here we have completed first question. Now second one, are the ray PM and PT opposite ray? Give reason for your answer. Okay. What is the question? Ray PM PT. So they are opposite rays, and if they are not, so give your reason. Right. So you can observe that ray PM and PT, they are not forming the straight line. They have the same origin but they are not forming the straight line, so that's why they are not opposite rays. Okay, so what will be your answer? Since ray PM PT are not forming straight line, therefore they are not opposite rays. Okay, so it's your final answer. So here we have completed practice at 18. Next practice set 19. So before starting with practice set 19, what is given here? Let's learn angles in a linear pair. Means angle in a linear pair. Actually exactly linear pair में angles होते क्या? So you can see here there are two angles PQR and RQS. They are formed on a single straight line, right? So they are called as angles in a linear pair. Okay, what is given here? Write the name of the angle in the figure alongside. So what are the name of the angles? PQR, angle RQS. Second, what type of a pair of angle is it? ये कौन सा type का pair है? It is the linear pair. Okay. Third one, which arms of the angles are not the common arms? Which arms of the angles are not the common arms? Means common arm means अगर आप एंगल का नेम लिख रहे हो PQR एंड सेकेंड वाले का लिख रहे हो RQS, तो कॉमन टर्म क्या आ रहा है RQ, so it's called as common arm. Okay, so which arm of the angle are not common arms? कौन से आर्म कॉमन नहीं है? So arm PQ, arm QS. Okay, so these are not the common arms. So measurement of angle PQR is equals to, suppose PQR. Now अगर measurement of angle PQR आपको क्या करना है? measure करना है properly with the help of the okay. Now if you will measure angle PQR, so you will get the measurement, suppose for example 120 degree. Okay, now RQS का measurement आप करोगे approximately, you will get the measurement as 60 degree. So here you will write PQR 120, RQS 60. So when you will add them, you will get 180 degree. It means angles in a linear pair, measurement of angle PQR plus measurement of angle RQS is always equals to 180 degrees since they are in the linear pair. The angles angle PQR and angle RQS in the figure above are adjacent angles, and they are also called as adjacent. Adjacent means the angles which are side by side, right? They have the common arm, so they are adjacent. जिसमें common arm present होगा उसको आप क्या बोलोगे? Adjacent. Since they are adjacent as well as supplementary, the arms that are not common to both angles form a pair of opposite rays. That is, these arms form a straight line. Means जो आर्म्स कॉमन नहीं है PQ एंड QS, जो कॉमन नहीं है वो क्या कर रहे हैं? अपोजिट रे फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, राइट? दे आर फॉर्मिंग द अपोजिट रेज, so they are forming a straight line. We say that these angles form a linear pair, so the sum of measure of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degrees. Understood properly? Now we know that angles which have a common arm and those and whose the other arms form a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. Okay? Practice set 19.
यहाँ पे येलो कलर से एक फोल्डर था, येलो कलर से एक फोल्डर था, उस फोल्डर में बना के रखा हुआ था, फोल्डर ही नहीं मिल रहा.
Draw the pairs of angles as described below. Now what you have to do, you have to draw the pair of the angles. First one, complementary angles that are not adjacent. आपको क्या करना है? ड्रॉ करना है complementary angles. Okay? क्या है? Adjacent नहीं है. Adjacent means they are not having the common arm. Okay? So how you will draw it? Like this. Complementary means what? Angle of 90 degree means दोनों का समीशन क्या होना चाहिए? 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए. ओके, सो सपोज आप ऐसे दो एंगल्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, राइट? लाइक दिस. तो एक का मेजरमेंट सपोज 60 डिग्री है एंड अनदर वन is of 30 degree like this. Okay, means दोनों का टोटल 90 होना चाहिए, but they should not be adjacent. Okay, वो adjacent नहीं होना चाहिए, means दोनों के बीच में कोई common arm नहीं होना चाहिए. You have to draw them separately. So first angle, suppose it is angle PQR. Okay, and it's the angle ABC. So PQR is of 60 degree, ABC is of 30 degree, है ना? और दोनों का summation होगा 90. So in this way you can draw it. Simple है. Then second one, angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. Okay, now listen. Second question में statement क्या है कि angles जो linear pair form करे like this, but they should not be supplementary. So it's not possible, right? Because angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. Here you have to give the reason. Given construction is not possible because angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. Okay, so ये क्या होगा? Possible नहीं होगा. जहाँ पर possible है वहाँ पर आपको draw करना है, and where it is not possible you have to give the proper reason. So in first one you will draw the diagram. Two angles, one is of 60 and another is of 30. You can take either of the measurements, but उनका summation क्या होना चाहिए? 90 होना चाहिए, because यहाँ पे mention किया हुआ that is complementary.
नहीं रखते।
देन सेकेंड, एंगल्स इन अ लीनियर पेयर आर नॉट विच आर नॉट सप्लीमेंट्री। अब सेकेंड में आपको क्या करना है, ऐसे एंगल्स फॉर्म करना है जो लीनियर पेयर में भी हो और सप्लीमेंट्री ना हो। सो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, क्योंकि एंगल्स जो लीनियर पेयर फॉर्म करते हैं वो हमेशा सप्लीमेंट्री ही होते हैं, मीन्स उनका मेजरमेंट 180 डिग्री ही होता है। सो दैट्स वाई इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। रीजन क्या दोगे आप, ये वाला स्टेटमेंट, एंगल्स इन अ लीनियर पेयर आर ऑलवेज सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। ओके, नाउ लुक हियर, थर्ड क्वेश्चन, complementary angles that do not form a linear pair। मीन्स आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स मीन्स 90 डिग्री वाले एंगल्स फॉर्म करने हैं और जो लीनियर पैर ना फॉर्म करे। ओके, मीन्स एडजेसेंट हो सकते हैं बट लीनियर नहीं होना चाहिए। तो इट्स पॉसिबल, लीनियर फॉर्म वैसे भी नहीं करेंगे वो, बिकॉज उनका मेजरमेंट क्या होता है 90 डिग्री, स्ट्रेट एंगल नहीं होता है। सो यू कैन ड्रॉ द एंगल्स लाइक दिस, ए बी सी डी, राइट। So they are the complementary angles, means इनका measurement क्या होगा 90 डिग्री होगा and they are not linear। Okay, understood properly? So you have to draw the right।
ये बना के रखा है आपका, वो फोल्डर में मिल रहा है मुझे।
Fourth one, adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair। आपको क्या करना है, adjacent angles फॉर्म करना है जो लीनियर पेयर फॉर्म ना करे। ओके, सो इट्स अगेन वेरी सिंपल, मीन्स एडजेसेंट मतलब दोनों में एक आर्म कॉमन होना चाहिए और लीनियर नहीं होना चाहिए, मीन्स स्ट्रेट एंगल नहीं फॉर्म होना चाहिए, राइट। सो यू कैन मेक द एंगल लाइक दिस, है ना। सो एंगल ए बी सी एंड एंगल सी बी डी, दे आर द एडजेसेंट बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग द कॉमन आर्म सी बी, राइट। दोनों में कॉमन आर्म क्या है, आर्म सी बी, है ना। सो एंड दे आर नॉट फॉर्मिंग द लीनियर पेयर। ओके, लीनियर पेयर नहीं फॉर्म कर रहे हैं वो। So it's the final answer, fourth question. Now, fifth question. Question number 5. Angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. Means आपको ऐसे angles form करने हैं जो complementary नहीं हो, means 90 डिग्री फॉर्म नहीं करना चाहिए, adjacent भी नहीं होने चाहिए। ओके, nor adjacent means दोनों के बीच में कोई common arm नहीं होना चाहिए and वो complementary भी नहीं होना चाहिए, means उनका means 90 डिग्री से लेसर और ग्रेटर हो सकता है। ओके, सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द टू एंगल्स सेपरेटली। सो सपोज एंगल ए बी सी ऑफ मेजरमेंट 80 डिग्री, सॉरी ऑफ मेजरमेंट ऑब्ट्यूज है ना, सो 100 डिग्री एंड एंगल नेक्स्ट एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री। ओके, PQR. So now you can see here they are not adjacent because they are not having the common arm and they are not complementary because उनका submission 160 हो रहा है, तो complementary का तो 90 डिग्री होता है, right? Now sixth question, angles in a linear pair which are complementary means आपको ऐसे angles फॉर्म करना है जो linear pair फॉर्म करे और उनका मेजर और वो complementary होना चाहिए, means 90 डिग्री के होना चाहिए। So it's not possible. What you will write here? It's not possible because angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. Okay, so you will give the same reason which you have given in the second one. Angles in a linear pair are always supplementary angles. Okay, so here we have completed practice set 19. Next, practice set 20. So before starting with practice set 20, there is some information given to you. What is given here? Now I know the angle formed by the opposite rays of the arms of an angle is said to be the opposite angle. Okay, means what are the opposite angles? So to understand the vertically opposite angles, you have to see this diagram. What is given here? In the figure alongside, means यहाँ पे जो given figure है आपको, line PT and line RS intersect each other at point Q. Intersect करना means दोनों क्या हो रहे हैं, एक particular point पे मिल रहे हैं, right? एक दूसरे को cross कर रहे हैं। So PQ and line PT and RS, they are intersecting each other, they are crossing each other at a common point Q. Okay, now what is given further? Thus 4 angles are formed. You can see, अब देखो ये दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे को क्रॉस कर रही है तो उसके थ्रू क्या हो रहे हैं, 4 एंगल्स फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, दिस वन these are the 4 angles, right? ये 4 angles फॉर्म हो रहे हैं। एंगल PQR is formed by the rays QP and QR, है ना, PQR फॉर्म हो रहा है, right? Then the rays opposite to QP and QR are QT and QS respectively. Opposite rays given है। So these rays form the angle SQT. कौन सा एंगल फॉर्म कर रहे हैं? SQT फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. Now SQT is the opposite angle of angle PQR. मीन्स अपोजिट एंगल क्या होते हैं एग्जैक्टली? जो अपोजिट रेस के थ्रू फॉर्म हुए, राइट. ये देखो ये PQR है. PQ इसका आर्म है तो इसका अपोजिट रे QT है ना. एंड RQ इसका आर्म है तो इसकी अपोजिट रे QS है. तो ये दोनों अपोजिट रे से फॉर्म होने वाले जो एंगल है उसको आप क्या बोलोगे? PQR का अपोजिट एंगल. मीन्स एंगल PQR का अपोजिट एंगल क्या है? एंगल SQT. सिमिलरली PQS का अपोजिट एंगल क्या होगा? RQT. ओके. So here we have understood the concept properly. Now, thus the angle formed by the opposite rays of the arms of an angle is said to be opposite angle. The property of vertically opposite angles means यहाँ पे एक property given है. What is that? Let us see. As shown in the figure, measurement of angle PQS is equals to A. PQS का measurement क्या है? A है. SQT का measurement क्या है? SQT B. PQR C and PQR D. And you can see here angle PQS and SQT are the angles in a linear pair. PQS and SQT. These are the angles in a linear pair. So angles in a linear pair are always supplementary, right? Similarly, these two angles RQT and RQP, they are also in the linear pair. So measurement sum क्या रहेगा दोनों का? 180 degree. Now first one and second one, right hand side same है 180. तो आप इक्वेट कर सकते हो लेफ्ट पार्ट को. So A plus B is equals to B plus C. Now B यहाँ पर भी है कॉमन और यहाँ पर भी कॉमन. It will get cancelled. So what is remaining here? Angle A and C. So therefore A is equals to C, right? A is equals to C means A क्या है? C के इक्वल आया. It means what we got here, what we concluded from here, क्या समझ में आया? कि जो एंगल्स है अपोजिट एंगल्स PQR SQT और PQS and TQR congruent means similar, right? So now we know that the vertically opposite angles formed when two lines intersect are of equal measure. Understood? Means जो vertically opposite angles होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Same measurement के होते हैं. Okay. Now practice set 20. Question number 1. Lines AC and BD intersect at point P. Measurement of angle APD is equals to 47 degree. Find the measures of angle APB, BPC and CPD. Okay, now we have to solve it. Okay. So first we'll draw the diagram. AC, BD, they're intersecting at point P, right? And angle APD is 47 degree. Okay. Now first we will write what is given and what we have to find. Okay. Question number 1. So what is given to us? Measurement of angle APD is equal to 47 degree. Now what we have to find? Measurement of angle APB, measurement of angle BPC, measurement of angle DPC. Okay. Now observe the diagram properly. Angle APD is given to us. Okay. Now since opposite ray of AP is PC, right? D BP की अपोजिट रे कौन सी है? PB. मीन्स APD का अपोजिट एंगल कौन सा है? व्हाट इज अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ एंगल APD? BPC. और अभी हम लोग ने एक प्रॉपर्टी पढ़े कि वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स क्या होते हैं? कॉन्ग्रुएंट होते हैं. मीन्स APD का जो भी मेजरमेंट है वही BPC का होगा, राइट? सो वी विल इक्वेट देम. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व इट. Okay, solution. Measurement of angle APD will be equals to measurement of angle BPC. You will state the reason. Since they are opposite angles, right? And opposite angles are congruent, right? Since opposite angles are congruent, that you will mention here in the bracket. So now therefore measurement of angle BPC is equals to 47 degree. Therefore measurement of angle BPC is equals to 47 degree. Okay, now we know the angle BPC, measurement of angle BPC. Next, what we have to find? We have to find the measurement of angle APB. You can see here angle APB and BPC, they are making the linear pair, right? And we know that angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. So using this property we will find the measurement of angle APB. Okay, measurement of angle APB plus measurement of angle BPC is equal to 180 degree. एंड ब्रैकेट में आपको क्या करना है? रीजन मेंशन करना है. सिंस दे आर लीनियर angles, right? So now we will substitute the value which is given here. Now APB तो आपको फाइंड करना है, so you will keep it as it is. And measurement of angle BPC is 47 degree, right? तो आप क्या करोगे? यहाँ पे substitute करोगे value of angle BPC, that is 47 degree. Okay, now we have to find measurement of angle APB, so we will keep it as it is. आप क्या करोगे? 180 के पास शिफ्ट करोगे 47 को, तो जब यहाँ पर प्लस में है तो जब राइट साइड पे आप शिफ्ट करोगे तो इट विल बिकम माइनस. तो 180 डिग्री माइनस 47 डिग्री. So when you will subtract 47 from 180 degree, you will get the final answer. Okay. So 10 minus 7, 3, 7 minus 4, 3, and 1 will be as it is. It means, what is the final answer? Measurement of angle APB is equals to 133 degree. Okay. So it's what? 133 degree. Okay. Now we have to find the measurement of angle DPC also. So angle DPC is the opposite angle of APB. Simply it will be of equal measurement, right? So we will solve it here. Measurement of angle APB will be equal to measurement of angle DPC, and in bracket you will write the reason, since they are opposite angles, right? And opposite angles are congruent. Now since measurement of angle APB is 133 degrees, since measurement of angle APB is equals to 133 degrees, therefore measurement of angle DPC is equals to 133 degree. Okay, understood? Now here we have completed first question. Now second one. lines PQ and RS intersect at point M. There are two lines PQ, RS. They are intersecting each other at point M. Measurement of angle PMR is of x degree, right? What are the measures of angle PMS, SMQ and QMR? Okay, now it's again very simple. Just instead of giving the exact value, it's given as x, right? यहाँ पे आपको क्या था, APD की 47 डिग्री थी, बट यहाँ पे PMR की वैल्यू क्या गिवन है, x डिग्री गिवन है. सो इट मीन्स जिसका अपोजिट एंगल है SMQ वो भी x डिग्री रहेगा, राइट? और फिर उसके बाद आप लीनियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी यूज करके ये दोनों भी एंगल्स फाइंड करोगे. सो नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. PQ, RS, it's point M and it's given as x degree. Okay. Now, second question. Angle PMR and SMQ. These are the two opposite angles. Okay. Now, first of all, we will write here what is given to us. Okay. What is given? Measurement of angle RMP is equals to x degree. Measurement of angle RMP is equals to x degree. अब हमको फाइंड क्या करना है? रिमेनिंग थ्री एंगल्स RMQ, SMQ, PM. Okay. Now we will find it one by one. So first we will use the vertically opposite angles property. PMR and SMQ, they will be congruent, right? Measurement of angle PMR is equal to measurement of angle SMQ. Why? We will state the reason. Opposite angles are congruent, right? Opposite angles are congruent. Okay. Now, since PMR is of x degree, so SMQ is of x degree, right? Now, since measurement of angle PMR is equals to x degree, therefore measurement of angle SMQ is equals to x degree. Okay. Now, next angle PMS. Now you can see PMS and SMQ, they both are making the linear pair, right? ये क्या कर रहे हैं? Linear pair form कर रहे हैं. So they will be of 180 degree. So you will write here measurement of angle PMS plus measurement of angle SMQ. PMS plus SMQ is equals to 180 degree. Means दोनों का addition क्या है? 180 degree. So you will write the reason here. Since they are linear angles, right? They are the angles in the linear pair. Okay. Now, PMS and SMQ. So now PMS is what? Angle PMS is of, we have to find angle PMS, right? So we'll keep it as it is. PMS is equals measurement of angle SMQ is what? X. So आप क्या करोगे? यहाँ पे वैल्यू ऑफ x सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे. So PMS is equals to 180 minus x, right? Because अब x क्या करोगे? आप राइट साइड पे शिफ्ट करोगे. ये PMS की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. So you will keep it as it is. And x को यहाँ पर आप क्या करोगे? राइट साइड पे शिफ्ट करोगे. So angle PMS, measure angle PMS is equals to 180 degree minus x. Okay. Now since RMQ is the opposite angle of PMS, दोनों का measurement same होगा, right? RMQ measurement of angle RMQ is equals to measurement of angle PMS, right? Again vertically opposite angle, reason दोगे आप, okay? So therefore measurement of angle RMQ, right? RMQ is equals to 180 minus x. Okay, so here we have completed second question. Now practice set 20 is completed here.